Hey everyone, welcome back to Mitchell Markets. Today, we're covering one of the most respected indicators in trading, VWAP, or Volume Weighted Average Price. Institutions love it as a benchmark for executing large orders, and retail traders use it to gauge fair value as well as momentum. Unlike a simple average, VWAP factors in volume, giving more weight to prices, where most trading haven't. It's essential for intraday decisions, but can help longer-term traders as well. Let's break it down step by step. VWAP is the average price a stock is traded at during a session, weighted by volume. It answers, what's the true average price considering where the real money traded? The formula is VWAP equals cumulative typical price times value divided by cumulative volume, where typical price equals high, low, close divided by 3 for each period. It's cumulative, starts at the open and updates with every trade. Most platforms, TradingView, Thinkorswim, plot it automatically as a single line as intraday charts. It resets daily at market open, primarily an intraday tool. Price above VWAP, buyers are in control. Bullish bias. Price below VWAP, sellers dominating. Bearish bias. It acts as dynamic support and resistance. Price often reacts to it because big players target it. Institutions use VWAP to minimize impact. Aim to buy below or near for good execution. Now, how to use VWAP in short-term trading. For day traders and swing traders on lower time frames, VWAP shines at confirming momentum and finding entries. Trend bias and crossovers. Price crossing above VWAP, especially on volume, is a bullish signal. Consider long. Crossing below, bearish. Consider shorts or exits. Pullback strategy. In an uptrend, price above VWAP, then you can buy dips to VWAPs for support. And on downtrend, short rally to VWAP for resistance. Early in the day, if price deviates far from VWAP, fade the move expecting reversion. Later, you can ride momentum if it holds away from VWAP. You can also add standard deviation bands for overextension signals and always confirm with volume. So after explaining a little bit about VWAP, we're going to take a quick dive into this chart. So as you can see here, VWAP has reset as soon as the market opened. We can see bulls trying to take over with VWAP failing, which is a clean signal to hold off on entering a position. Wait for volume to spike and other confirmations such as RSI before entering a position. Typically, when VWAP fails to hold, you're going to be getting a very sharp downtrend. They always say escalator up and elevator down, and that is very true. So VWAP was a resistance early in the morning, failed to hold above, and you can look for a short position using VWAP as your anchor point for a move to the downside. Now you can see here, VWAP has been crossed with volume. You may be using other indicators at this time. RSI is rising, ACE could have been passed, but for now, this is a deep dive on VWAP alone. After crossing over VWAP with volume, you can see a steady uptrend. You get some retracement using VWAP as a support now. Bullish bias has been confirmed, entering a new position with VWAP as support, continuing the uptrend. Profit taking and breakdowns back to test VWAP for a second time and then continuing the uptrend yet again. And this is just one example. VWAP can be strategically used for the upside or the downside depending how the market is reacting at open and throughout the day. To sum up, VWAP gives the volume adjusted fair price benchmark. Short term, used for biased, enters on crosses, pullbacks, support, resistance. Long term, you can anchor it for support and trends. No indicator is magic. You have to compare VWAP with price action, value, and proper risk management and probability for your trade. If this cleared things up for you on VWAP, make sure to leave a like and comment and ask what indicator you would like to see me take a deep dive on next. Thanks for watching, guys, and nice to be back making some YouTube videos. Hope you all had a fantastic holiday, had a great Christmas. I myself did. I was busy trading the last few days, so I'm going to hop back on making some informational YouTube videos so you can digest the market properly and make smart money.